E-commerce. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Business Ideas. In this video, we'll be talking about e-commerce and how you can use it to make money. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. So, what is e-commerce? To understand e-commerce, let us take an example from the marketplace. When you feel the need to buy something, you go to a market and you select a shop. Then you enter the shop and ask for what you need. After you have selected what you want, you pay the shop owner, and you're all done. Now, let's consider another scenario. What if you want to buy something without going to the marketplace and rummaging through the shelves? Yes, e-commerce can allow you to do so. Just open your browser and go online. There are hundreds and thousands of markets that you can buy from using just the internet. But there is one difference between buying online and buying from an actual shop that you can visit. Buying from a shop allows you to see and experience the product firsthand, whilst buying online doesn't really give you that opportunity. Whilst online, you pay and the product is delivered to your house, depending on the company and the delivery service. It is kind of buying a gift for yourself, which you don't see until it arrives, and when it comes, only then can you see the originality of the product. This is an industry that is highly on the rise. More and more businesses and commerce are getting online. They are shifting to the world of the internet to reach a wide range of customers. Now, you'll undoubtedly be thinking, what's in it for me? Well, you can milk this opportunity and make money off it by opening an online store. Benefit of selling online. The best thing about e-commerce is you don't have to worry about your shop, its rent, renovation, or advertisement. This is a huge benefit and can save you a lot of money. Similarly, you don't have to worry about any increase in the rent or your shop being sold to somebody else by the owner. So, here are 8 ways to make money with e-commerce. Number 1. FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. You all know about Amazon, which is the world's leading market for online selling, and it wouldn't be wrong to call it the king of e-commerce platforms. It is a platform like a shopping mall, where different people have different stores where they all sell different products online. It is really simple to sell things online. Just open a seller account with Amazon, pick up any product that you want to sell, list it on your account with complete details and photos of it, and then send the actual products to the Amazon store. Anytime a customer clicks on your product and places an order, Amazon will deliver that package and will take the cash, each keeping a certain amount of money for its services. There, it will be transacted to your account. Congratulations, you just sold a product and made money. Number 2. FBM, Fulfillment by Merchant. This is the same as FBA, but with one main difference. In FBA, Amazon is responsible for the packaging and delivery of the product, while in FBM, the merchant is responsible for the shipment of the product to the consumer. You have a product, you just list it on your Amazon seller account. Every time a customer places an order, you are responsible for shipping that product to the customer. Compared to FBA, this is a bit cumbersome one because it puts more of the burden on your shoulders. While in the FBA, the only thing you need to worry about is sending the product to an Amazon warehouse. Number 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is another business related to e-commerce where people do not buy products and send them to Amazon or any other store for selling. Rather, they use someone else's product and list it for a higher price. When the product is sold, the seller pays the actual amount for which he has bought it and then keeps the profit. Did I make you confused? Don't worry, let's break it down. Suppose there is a product, let's say that it's a spoon. It is sold for $5, and now you take that spoon and list it for $10. When a customer places an order, you take that same spoon that is selling for $5 and send it to the customer for $10. You just made $5 out of nowhere. This is something people are making tons of money from. It is getting much attention because of zero investment in this field. Number 4. PL, Private Label. This is basically selling a brand that is already in the marketplace, but you change its label and apply your label to that product and resell it. Suppose there's a brand, and you want to sell the product of that brand. After finding your label and placing it on the already existing product, it is as though you made your product. In simple terms, what the seller does is that he showcases the same product in a more refined way and attracts more customers. Let me give you a simple example. Suppose there's a Himalayan salt, and there are many sellers of it. What you do is take that product and make a label for your own and pack the same Himalaya salt hundreds of people are already selling. And you've done it. Number 5. Shopify. Shopify is another great, amazing, and easy to use platform that allows you to sell your products online. Basically what you do is you open an account, which is a seller's account, and then you start selling. Pick any product and list it on your account. You can advertise your product on your platforms such as social media. What is interesting about this platform is that it's really easy to use. Similarly, most of the businesses take place on this platform. Number 6. Wholesale. Wholesale is a business where sellers sell products but in large quantities, as it is clear from its name. Now, if you are selling online, the best place for this business is Alibaba.com. Now, this is a business idea of selling where people only sell in large quantities, not one or two products, like a minimum of 100 pieces. It is a business-to-business model where largely merchants sell to shop owners or those who will sell the same products one by one and will make money in each and every piece of that product. Number 7. Reselling on other platforms. If you do a little research, there are platforms where the pieces are really reasonable. All the products are listed at good prices that really attract customers. On the other hand, there are platforms that provide normal things just at really expensive prices. You can really milk this opportunity by taking the product from the platform where it's sold for cheap and then reselling it on another platform for a higher price. This is how you make money without investing even a single cent. The best example of it can be taking a product from Shopify and then selling it on Amazon. Number 8. Take a photo, sell it, and deliver it. This is going to be fun. What I am going to tell you might feel a bit ridiculous, but believe me, it works. Go to any mall, take some nice pictures of any product that you believe is in high demand, and advertise it on social media for a higher price. Then, whenever a customer contacts you for the product, go and deliver that product. And you've done it. But build trust, because every business needs trust. And well guys, that's all we have for you here today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. In the next video. In the next video. In the next video. In the next video.